Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Ps5 and pressing the PS button to wake it. Once done, go straight to Settings. This lets you control sleep behavior that affects Screensaver activation. Make sure sleep timers allow the console to idle long enough for a screensaver to appear. Then check screen and video to confirm resolution and HDR settings. These can change how images render. This prepares the system so the screensaver you choose will display correctly and consistently. Now you navigate to Settings, then Home Screen, and select Wallpaper or Screensaver options to pick what appears when idle. You can choose built-in images for simplicity, dynamic themes for motion, or plug in a USB drive with your own media. The console accepts common image formats. Use the preview to confirm crop and quality, and adjust image order and display duration so the rotation feels natural. Take a moment here, because these choices control both appearance and performance. Apply your selection and return to the home screen. Let the Ps5 idle to verify the screensaver activates. If it does not appear, reboot the console first. Simple restarts fix many issues. For USB media, reformat the drive to FAT32 or XFAT and retry because unsupported formats block files. Also confirm file formats are compatible. Finally, make sure your Ps5 firmware is up to date and the HDMI/display settings match your TV. Mismatched output can make images look incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.